Today's video, it's time for magic cookie bars. What the heck's a magic cookie bar? I don't know. I hope it's magical.
Yummy deliciousness.
What's up, my keto friends? You know exactly who you are. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, all you have to do is please click that subscribe button right below this video and move over just a little bit. Click the notification bell so you don't miss anything on this channel, because it's very important, the stuff that we go over here.
It's detrimental.
Yeah, it's more important than most stuff you see on the interwebs.
Yeah, more important than news or anything.
You know what I'm talking about? Right, because we're talking about facts of life.
We're talking about food, dude.
Food. Okay, as I just mentioned, magic cookie bars. What are they? Well, I'll tell you this. I've never heard of them before growing up. I grew up down in South Alabama. As some people call LA, Lower Alabama, Baldwin County. Never heard of magic cookie bars until I met this gorgeous woman. Aww. So apparently she had a long-running tradition of cooking this magic cookie bar around the holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas, that time of the year. Mm-hmm. And it was a very, very delicious treat. She cooked them, and I had to have them every year. And
so when my daughter got older, see, they don't know anything about us. Well, our friends do, but some people might not. We have a almost 30-year-old daughter.
Almost 30-year-old.
We've been married for 31 years.
No, that hurts.
We have almost a 30-year-old daughter and almost a 13-year-old and 11-year-old.
Yeah. So, all by the same woman.
All by the same man.
Yeah.
So anyway, when Delory got old enough and I needed help in the kitchen, I taught her how to do it, and it's so simple. A 12, 13-year-old could do it. Probably a 10-year-old.
However, since we started a keto lifestyle, those cookie bars seem to have some ingredients that weren't, how do you say?
Keto friendly?
Yeah, keto friendly to the body, because as you can see, this body has been kicking those magic cookie bars around for a long time.
It's been through some stuff.
You know what I'm saying? So we got to do something to get that back. But we still love those magic cookie bars. Susan found out a way to make them and still stay keto. I don't know how she does it.
The only difference is, I mean, everything's pretty much keto. Oh, the chocolate chips, of course, Lily's, and then we have unsweetened coconut. That's the only really difference. You use unsweetened coconut instead of sweetened coconut, and you have to find a keto-friendly recipe for the sweetened condensed milk. And I found a recipe on All Day I Dream About Food. I think it's her. The information will be in the description below. I found a way to make sweetened condensed milk through her website.
Right. We'll link we're not going to go over how to make condensed milk in this video. Not sure we'll ever do it. But we'll link the description, not the description. We'll give you a link down below on how you can make that. So when you're preparing this, you have to have, that's part of the recipe. Mm-hmm. Sorry, folks, you got to have that. So you're going to have to learn how to make that before you make these.
Unless there might be some, like, I don't know, Sprouts or Whole Foods.
Oh, you know what? You're right.
Maybe you can buy some.
What if there's a can of keto-friendly condensed milk out there?
God, that'd be great. That would take like 30 minutes.
Put in the comments below if you found this jewel out there at Sprouts or one of these places that sell stuff that's Frito. I almost said Frito Kinley. Frito Kinley? Who is that?
Keto friendly.
Keto friendly. Oh, by the way, I wanted to say this. I know we're talking about magic cookie bars, and I didn't grow up with them. I never heard of them. Maybe there's a lot. Maybe this is a staple. Is this just you, or does everybody know what magic cookie bars are?
A lot of people, I think. I mean...
So if you walk up to a stranger and go, hey, would you like to try this magic cookie bar? Where they go, oh, yeah, sure, I know about those. Or where they go, what are you talking about?
They might think they're magic brownies.
Magical.
They're real magical.
Right.
No, there's no weed in them.
You don't think?
No.
So, hey, comment below if you know what magic cookie bars are, or if you have a similar treat that you cook in your family traditionally for the holidays. Put the comments down below and let us know, and we'll maybe make it keto friendly for you as well.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's learn.
Okay, and for today's ingredients, we're going to use 1 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of SWERVE or any type of sweetener just make sure you use powdered. You don't want to use granular because you don't want to be crunching into sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of melted butter. That is all for the crust. For the filling, you're going to use 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Lily's is the brand we use. You can use whatever unsweetened chocolate chips or sweetened with artificial sweetener or natural sweetener, I should say. 1/2 cup of pecans. That is not 1/2 cup. That is like a lot. So we're probably going to not use all of that, but we might. I don't know yet. We'll see. And this is one recipe of sugar-free condensed milk. I got this recipe from All Day I Dream About Food. Pretty much all it is 1 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, and I think like 1/2 cup of sweetener. And you just boil it down and use between 1/2 and I think between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. But you can go to All Day I Dream About Food, her blog site, and see the actual recipe. We'll link it below. Oops, and I forgot 1/2 cup of unsweetened flaked coconut. That's goes in the filling as well. Okay, we baked for an extra 15 minutes, and then I toasted it on top in the toaster oven. And I threw them in the freezer for a few minutes because we're a little bit impatient, so we can hurry up and get this video over with.
Right, they're supposed to cool down.
So we cooled them down in the freezer for about 10 minutes.
Now, you just saw the finished product. We've mixed the ingredients, threw them in the oven. Of course, all of that stuff you saw, how long you should cook it. Now, here's the deal. Delori, she and her husband have become one of our biggest keto fans.
Delori's our daughter.
Right. Well, you just talked. Well,
but I didn't
did you
say
mention her name? Oh no! Now we've outed her.
Mm-hmm. Well, you said sorry, Delori.
Yeah. Don't follow her on Instagram. Here's the deal. She's been doing our recipes because they're trying to follow a simple keto lifestyle. This right here, she's gonna go bonkers over. I'm telling you, because this is one of her favorites. And
can we just eat? Come on, quit talking.
Oh, I'm just trying to say. Okay. Oh, you know what we should have did? How do you do that?
Oh yeah.
Oh look.
So romantic.
Just wait.
Stop.
I can't focus. What is that?
That's really good.
That's magic.
That's good. It's magical.
You know, I forgot to sing. This can be magic. I forgot the words. Anything you could desire.
How about you don't know what we can find? Magic carpet ride?
No, that's not a good one. Abracadabra. No, that's not a good one. Anyway.
Oh my goodness.
Woo! That just hit me all kind of stuff right there. That's when I started singing.
I mean,
Oh.
you can't go wrong with coconut, chocolate.
Wow, we're
and
just sitting here having some kind of food thing kicking right here. On
coconut,
camera.
chocolate, and condensed milk.
I mean, if you like this video, guys, please share, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And if you tried this magic cookie bar, please let us know in the comments that you tried it. It was good. If you messed it up, you have questions,
It
leave a
kind of
comment.
looks messy. It doesn't look pretty.
Well,
but-
I like messy. It's good stuff. If you have any questions, leave comments. Ask us questions about, hey, something didn't turn out right. It tastes like garbage. What did I do wrong? We'll reach out to you and let you know what happened. But if you like this video and it turned out great, and
then
also,
you're doing something wrong because this tastes good. If it don't taste good, then you did something wrong because this is good.
also, if there is another treat that you prepare at holidays, it's a tradition in your family, and it's delicious, and you want to turn it into a keto friendly recipe, let us know and we'll try to do it.
Well, that's what I was going to say. Also, there's not really anything that you cannot find on the internets,
Nothing.
interwebs, that you can't turn into keto. There's everything. You can turn anything into keto.
Yeah, you can
just
do magic.
Google it. Just Google keto or whatever you're looking for.
And remember, until next time, keep it magic. Keto
That's okay.
magic. Oh, she likes it.
Oh.
Mikey.